Well, hi guys and gals, it's me, George, the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, and I'm here inside of Big Dawg's workshop, and we wanted to give you an update to see how things have progressed in here. We have built benches all along this wall, and you'll notice that there are no legs. These are cantilevered benches. And yet Big Dawg's going to push on the end of that saw, and he'll show you that they're still very sturdy. And we have lights up all across the ceiling, and he has been arranging stuff. He's still got plenty of stuff in here, but a lot of this stuff is projects that they're working on. He's got pegboard up on his back doors and over here, and yeah, storage everywhere, all kinds of tools. We got our sink installed, and it even functions. Look at that, huh? It's hot and cold running water. It depends on the temperature outside, whether it's hot or cold. Today it's hot, because it's almost 90 degrees today. So we thought you might like to see that update. And might like to see this guy. He's doing well, and
here today.
And he's got a couple of interviews under his belt and just waiting to hear. But he did well. Tell us, you did start one job, but you found out that you have some limitations that you didn't have before.
The limitations is my hands. They go numb if I do a lot of work with them, so we'll have to work at that and keep it going.
So that's where this is all at, and well, y'all don't get to see my face very often, so I'm going to flip this around, and let me see, how do I do that? I know there's a... So there it is, I switched it around, and from the Big Dawg and the Shade Tree Fix-It Man, thanks for watching, commenting, subscribing, thumbs up, sharing, and all them good things. Till next time, bye for now.
Bye.